Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is a first order differential equation, and we're going to solve it. It's dx dy equals 1 plus 3y squared over y cosine x. So if you would, pause the video and see if you can try to do this one on your own. Alright, if you notice that this is a separable differential equation, meaning that you can simply cross multiply. When you cross multiply this, so you have y cosine x dx equals 1 plus 3y squared, parentheses, dy. Now, your next step is going to be, you want all the x's on one side and all the y's on the other side. So this is fine the way it is, but now you want to divide both sides by y. So now you can just integrate this with respect to x and do the same thing y on the other side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate it. Right, I'm going to divide each of these by y, so this is 1 over y, and this plus 3y. Right, I'm just dividing both of those by y. Next, what you want to do is you want to integrate both sides. Once you have all the x's on one side and all the y's on the other side, you just want to integrate both sides. When you do that, you have on this side sine x plus c, which is a constant, the constant of integration. Here, when I integrate 1 over y, that's simply natural log of y plus, now this right here, use the power rule, so it would be 3y squared over 2. Remember, whatever this is, you divide it by that, plus c. Now, what I'm going to do now is, it's kind of a weird problem, so I'm just going to move everything over to one side and solve for 0. So I'll move this over here. So it becomes 0 equals, and I'll group them all together, so natural log of y plus 3y squared over 2 minus sine x. Now, when you subtract a constant from both sides, like if I was to subtract this from both sides, it's not 0. Constant minus constant is always a constant. Because you don't know, because when you integrate on this side, it could be a 3, it could be a 4, right? And same thing on this side, you have no clue what it is. So a constant would still be a constant. Then you can do some manipulation if you want. You can, multiply everything by 2. 2 times a constant is still a constant. But the way this is set up, you don't necessarily have to do that. You can if you want, but that's it. That's your solution.